So today in this video, we're going to be doing like a quick little unboxing on a package that I received yesterday. This fragrance is from Paris Corner Perfumes, Autobiography, Supernova. Got the gold and blue sort of box here. Logo on the back, of Perfume Corner on the back. Go ahead and open this up. Open it up and it has the, sort of like a little stamp there of their name, Autobiography. Open that up and you are met with the cap here, met with the lid. Autobiography Supernova. Very nice presentation on this bottle. Very smooth glass finish on here. Very thick, weighted, very heavy. The juice, the color of the juice is really nice on this one. Look at that. Like a dark grayish blue. That's really nice. You can actually hold this by the cap. I think it does come off a little easy, but it does hold pretty well. It doesn't snap into place, but it holds pretty well. Take this off. Met with the atomizer, gold atomizer. Not bad. Spray on it. That is crazy. That fine mist spray. Oh man. That's nice. To me, this smells like intoxicated. That's what this smells like. This smells like Anicio's Intoxicated. And I believe it has some of those notes in it that Intoxicated may have. I believe, I'm not sure. But that's the vibe that I get when I smell this. Let's take a look at some of the notes. So the notes for this is tonka, is it styrax or styrax, forest fruits, amber, bergamot, cedarwood, jasmine, caramel, coffee, coriander, lavender, mint, sandalwood, and vanilla. This thing just smells so good. Such a gourmand, creamy kind of vibe to it. I'm smelling it in the air now. Got a little bit of a floral vibe, but not a whole lot. That lavender definitely adds to that creaminess, along with that vanilla. Ah, man, that just smells great. I'm gonna try a little bit on skin. We'll come here. It's beautiful. That's a good atomizer. That's one of my better atomizers in my collection. It's creamy, it's floral, soft. It's all these spices and things like that in it, but it's airy. It's airy in a way where it's not like powdery or anything like that. It's not iris, but it's floral, creamy, sweet, airy. It's gourmand. It has that gourmand vibe. It has a milky vibe too. That could be the caramel. It has like a milky sort of vibe. And then that coffee comes in, and it kind of reminds me of Coffee Break. I want to say it's Coffee Break or Coffee Hour. It's a fragrance with that name. And the main notes is coffee, milk, lavender, and I want to say vanilla. And this has pretty much all of those in it. So it could be a variation of that instead of Intoxicated. That is really good, yo. Wow. It just smells creamy. It smells creamy, airy, gourmand, sweet, a little bit of coffee, milky, some nice soft florals. That wood comes in, but it comes in a very accommodating way. Some woods come in and they kind of contrast with whatever else is going on, and it adds like a nice charm to it. But this one sort of, it's like it comes in and it I don't know. I feel like this one comes in and sort of takes a back seat and adds to the floral nature of it. It's like a woody floral, but leaning more so floral than it does woody. It just makes this creamy, sweet gourmand seem a little more sensual instead of woody, because it stays gourmand in my opinion. Like, this stays gourmand, but in a very chill and gentle way. This is a really good fragrance, yo. Good fragrance. Great atomizer. Look at this atomizer one more time. Great atomizer. Great smell. Lovely presentation. I love the fact that this is in my collection because it just looks good. It looks like one of my better fragrances as far as presentation. Smells great. Wonderful presentation with the top, with the cap. Very nice glass bottle. Just a good feel. Feels great in my hand. 9 out of 10 so far as presentation so far. I'm impressed. I wish the cap held a bit better for it to be such a heavy bottle. I don't understand that. If you have a heavy bottle, you need to make a cap that can accommodate that. This one holds it, but barely. Other than that, I'm supremely impressed with this one. Supernova, like I said, this smells like a coffee fragrance that I've smelled before. And that's what's giving me either intoxicated vibes, or I think it's coffee hour or coffee break. I don't know who makes it. It may be Margiela. It may be Margiela. Is it Martin Margiela or something like that? It may be that particular perfumer, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so far I like it. Great presentation, great scent. Like I said, very creamy, airy, gourmand, coffee. I like it. I could probably pull that off easily in the fall. The winter, I believe it'll be a little weaker in the winter, but it would be pleasant to just get like a quick little catch a quick little whiff of that creamy coffee, lavender. Might catch a quick whiff of that in the winter time, you know, or in the fall. That'll be very, very pleasant. It's airy enough, honestly, in my opinion, where you can pull this off probably like an early summer morning. You can definitely pull this off in the spring, but I would recommend probably for the fall. It's a little hotter, so you're gonna be layered up, so it'll get a little stronger on you with all the layers, the heat, the sweat. But this it's so airy. I can easily pull this off in the springtime. White t-shirt, light jacket, probably a little windbreaker or something like that, or you know, a light little blazer or something like that, sport coat. Hit that up a few times, you good to go. This is really good. I'm gonna drop the link to Aroma Concepts, which is the company that I got this from, and you guys can check this out. Some really good stuff, especially for the price point. I think this is probably priced anywhere from at 25 to 45 range for that size bottle. This is a 2.5 ounce or a 2.7 ounce. Let me double check. Oh, this is a 1.7. Okay, I thought this was a 2. It's just huge. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle, and for some reason it just gives me like a 2.5 kind of vibe. But it's probably because of all the extra glass and, you know, everything else going on. Good fragrance. Supernova from Autobiography. That is it for this video, you guys. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, please share. Build this channel up. Consistent content. We got reviews for you all day long. We got first impressions all day long. Unboxings. We got it here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.